Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you how to use an image frame in a document on Scribus. First, make a new file. Once you've created a new file, click Image Frame below the menu bar, or you can press letter I key on your keyboard. Hold your mouse left and drag it to make an image frame. You can change width and height of the image frame by clicking and holding the image frame nodes on the corner or on the edges of the image frames. You can change the X and Y position of the image frame by dragging the image frame. You can rotate the image frame by clicking the Rotate item below the menu bar, or you can press letter R key on your keyboard. Press again to rotate the image frame. To put the image in the image frame, right-click the image frame and click Get Image, or you can double-click the image frame to do the same. Choose an image you want to use. Here you will see a preview of the image. Then click OK. Scribus gives us a warning. And you may notice that the part of the image is only cropped, because our DPI or dots per inch is only 72. We need to click to frame size to show the whole image inside the image frame. You can change the X and Y position of the image by double-clicking the image. Drag the image. You can exit this option by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. And that's pretty much of it on how to use an image frame in a document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related, or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.